Rolled sushi is essential and one of the most popular of the sushi menu. However, making fine rolled sushi is difficult. This ASM 880 can make various sizes of rolls from small to large sizes easily and quickly. Apply Autex oil spray onto the necessary parts before operation. Assemble these machine parts correctly. Break sushi rice up with your hands as you put it into the hopper. For safety purposes, close the lid after putting the rice in. Turn on the power switch. Press the start button and proceed with the machine's automatic size detection of the wrapping unit. As the first step, make rice mats on a trial basis without putting nori, sheets of seaweed, on the wrapping unit. Adjust the thickness, length, position, etc. of rice mats before operation. After making sure the supply light is on, press the start button. Continue making rice mats on a trial basis until ideal rice mats come out. The machine keeps the setting value of the previous operation. These can be recalled automatically just by attaching each wrapping unit to the main body. As the machine remembers 3 patterns for each wrapping, you can make rolls freely even though different kinds of filling or different conditions of rice are used. After preparations are finished, start making rolls. Place a sheet of seaweed on the wrapping unit. After making sure the supply light is on, press the start button. A rice mat comes out on the sheet of seaweed. After making sure the wrap light is on, put the fillings on the formed rice mat and press the start button to form a roll. Press the emergency switch in case of an emergency. The ASM 880 is capable of making 3 different sizes of rolled sushi by changing wrapping units. Also, its applicability to long rolls makes it possible to make various kinds of rolled sushi. Inside-out rolls can also be made by changing settings. Changing the wrapping unit is easy with a one-touch simple operation, and the previously used rice mat setting is automatically set in accordance with the size of the wrapping unit. The lighter machine parts simplify daily cleaning, assembling, and disassembling. The new feature of loosening rice was designed for the ASM 880 and the hopper capacity became larger to 10 kilograms. Softer rice, which is suitable for rolled sushi, will be produced. The machine is lighter, more compact, and even more reasonable than other Norimaki makers of its similar class, enabling speedy formation, softer rice mats, and better rice amount stability.